These are the top 3 beautiful but super dangerous sky phenomenon in the world. If you ever seen any of this, bro, you are literally built different. Number 3, the meteor shower. This meteor shower looks cool, right? But if it ever hit Earth, we were totally cooked. Number 2, the purple sky. Bro, if you ever see something like this in real life, be alert. It's a sign that a powerful storm is coming. Before I reveal the last one, you'll receive an insane blessing if you like and subscribe before this video ends. Number 1, the green sky. Comment down below which sky phenomenon do you think you have seen before.